Okay, so let's take a look at how you can connect to Zoho Mail with Airtable. So basically I have one of the Airtable base that contains technically nothing within its table. We are going to add entries through Zoho Mail into this. So name and subject we will be adding new content with, right? So go to Zapier and there you have to add two apps, one being Zoho Mail, second being Airtable. Already added Airtable, and I also have Zoho Mail. You can search for them through this search bar within apps page. So when you type that name, it should appear. Then you can click connect. Right now, next thing is go to dashboard. Now here, what I will do is I will type in something that says when mail comes into Zoho Mail, append it to the Airtable. Right, then hit generate and it should show you one of the available Zap. Append Zoho Mail to Airtable. Click on try it and it should be there. Right, so here as you can see I may have to give it the option to continue, and then it will ask you for trigger and choose the folder inbox, right? Then group result, give it yes as flag, account details, so it will ask you for your Zoho Mail account and then click continue. Now it will test the initial trigger to establish connection with Zoho Mail. Once you do that, you have to point to this particular automate base and the table name. So I will do that. So let it test the trigger. Let's move to email types and then continue with select records. Right. Next event is to add records or update record. So create record with auto populating fields. Click continue. Again click continue for Airtable. Now here you have to select the base and then you have to select table. Right, once those two things are checked, I will use, let's say, subject. Where it is name, I may have to change that to sender. Right, and then I will have to check for subject. Right, and then we will keep the rest as is and click continue. So I just want to update two fields to the table, right? So if I move to next step, I may have to publish this SAP. Then we will be figuring out whether that SAP adds any new data into the table. Right, so here we see the new data is added, which is one of the email from Quora, and it has subject. So we managed to connect Zoho Mail's data with Airtable through the use of Zapier automation.